In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble the back of your ECD chair. All the hardware and tools will be included in the packaging. Start by inserting the back bar in the control mechanism and align the 3 holes. Loosely insert all 3 screws. Then, tighten them all together while keeping the back bar parallel to the control mechanism. If you order the optional lumbar support, position the lumbar support knob behind the arm on the left side of the chair. Then, align it with the provided holes and screw in the self-tapping screw. And that is how you assemble the back of your ECD chair.